We're turning this job site into a finished manufactured home. Drywall, skirting, awning, and steps. Check out this transformation. The last time we were in this home, we were still marrying the two sections together. You could see the marriage line going from the front all the way down. The inspector has signed off on this home. So now this home is ready for the finishing touches. We're finishing the drywall close up on the exterior. We still have the masonry to do and some skirting to finish. But once that's all complete and this drywall close up is complete, then it's gonna be time for the floor installation. We'll clear everything out, clean the floors, and get them prepped for the brand new waterproof plank flooring. We're getting closer and closer to get this home move-in ready. As you can see, we've installed the skirting, the hardy board skirting. And now what we have left is we need to do the front masonry skirting. So we're gonna do a little bit of a wrap. The masonry skirting is gonna go all the way back here, and then it's gonna go along the front. We're also gonna have a nice planter here with some masonry. And then over here, as you can see, we've completed the steps. With steps, you could choose from two different materials. You could do carpeted steps, or what we choose a lot of times here in Southern California is Trex steps, which is a manufactured material. It's very durable, long lasting, has a great warranty, and our customers really love this Trex steps. We just installed this full length aluminum awning over the carport that could fit up to 3 vehicles. You can even fit a 120 square foot shed. We have one more step to complete before we're finished with this home. We're gonna install the floors, then clean the home and get it ready for the final walkthrough. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. You don't wanna miss the final walkthrough of this home.